are you guys today?
Good.
Good job.
Okay.
Just okay? Let's see if we can make it better.
Alright.
Okay?
Hey, okay is what I usually say.
Oh, usually. Let's make it a special day today. Let's make it a good day.
Okay.
Sound good? Alex is ready. Thanks, Alex, for positivity. That's what I hear. All right, today our target is all together. Get ready. I can
add and subtract equations to solve for the variable.
Good job, everyone. That was perfect. Let's say it one more time, nice and slow. Get ready. I can
add and subtract equations to solve for the variable.
Perfect job. I love hearing all of your voices. Okay, what does equation mean? Raising your hand. Jolene, thank you. A math problem. Good, that's perfect. It's a math problem. In math,
Plus 3 is
okay, we raise our hand in my class. Thank you. It's a math problem, right? Like a math sentence kind of thing, right? Who can give me an example of an equation? Alex, thanks for raising your hand.
like 3 plus 3 is 6.
3 plus 3 equals 6. Is this an equation?
Yeah.
Jessica, is this an equation?
You?
Yeah, it is, right? Perfect. Okay, awesome. Who can tell me by raising their hand what a variable is? What's a variable? Jolene. A letter. Good. That's perfect. We use letters. Like what kind of letter? Can we use any letter? Yeah. We can use X, A, J. Okay. All right. Yes, Alex?
Like 8, 5 plus X equals
Can we do double?
27.
5 plus X equals what?
27.
Perfect. That's exactly what we're going to be doing today. This is an equation with a variable. Perfect. Thank you for sitting in ready position. I like to see that. Good, but before we can move on, we have to go over our rules for the day. What are some of our class rules? Raise your hand. Aislinn.
Raise my hand before speaking.
Good. Aislinn, what does that mean to you?
It means when you have a question, you raise your hand first and then you say it.
Perfect. That's exactly right. What's another rule? Jolie.
You prepare for class each day.
What does that mean?
Don't be like goofing off and
Don't be goofing off. Good, that's right. We're prepared. We come with our math brains on, right? Good. Alex, what's another rule?
stuff. Speak with kind words.
Speak with kind words. What does that mean?
Like if a teacher said, go to your classroom, and you said no, they might be mouthy.
That's all right. You are being mouthy. Speaking with kind words, is that only to a teacher?
No.
Is that to our other friends as well? That's right. To everyone. Good. Jessica, I haven't heard from you. What's a rule?
Follow directions quickly.
That's right. Follow them the first time, right? There's one more rule that I'm remembering. Alex.
Sit and ready for decision.
Perfect. What does that look like? Awesome. That's a perfect position. Can we all look like Alex? He's a special example today. There's our points. Perfect, perfect. All right. Now that we've covered our rules, let's get back to our lesson. Okay? To add and subtract equations to solve for a variable, we have 4 easy steps. Okay, we've reviewed them a little bit. 4 easy steps. So I'm going to show you how to do it first, and then you all get to do it. Okay? So let's say that I have a certain amount of cookies that I want to share with you. Okay? I have a certain amount. We don't know what they are. It's an unknown number, right?
50.
However, Mrs. King has 10 cookies also that she brought. Okay? So I have a certain amount of cookies. Mrs. King also has 10 cookies. Altogether, we have 25 cookies. Okay? That's a lot of cookies for the 5 of us, right? Okay? So, to first start, my first step is I write the equation. What's my first step?
Write the equation.
Perfect. Did we do this?
Yeah.
Check. We did it. Next step. We have to ask, is the variable alone? What do I say?
Is the variable alone?
Perfect. Let's look here. Where's our variable, Alex? Which one is our variable? Raising your hand. Alex.
X.
X. Good. Is it alone, Alex?
Nope.
No, because what we have to look at is the equal sign.
I think I know what it is.
Okay, just 1 minute, alright. We have to look at our equal sign right here. This is like our wall, okay? Here's our strong wall. We look at this side of the equation, and we look at this side of the equation. Over here we have x and 10. Over here we have a 25, right? Okay, so is our variable alone on that side? No. Alex says no. You're right. What's with it, Jessica? What's with the x?
It's not alone.
It's not alone, so what's next to it?
Plus and a 10.
A plus and a 10. Perfect. The 10 is with it, huh? Okay, so the next step, our third step, we say we have to do the opposite operation on both sides of the equal sign. What do we do?
Opposite operation on both sides of the equal.
Perfect. Good job, you guys. Thank you for responding all together. Opposite operation. First things first, what's an operation? Are we doctors?
No.
Are we performing operations?
No, an operation.
What's by raising our hand. Thanks, Aizen.
An operation is sort of like an equation. Well, it's with like different. I think it's like the sign of what type of, like if it's add, subtract.
Good. Perfect. You're correct. Aizen, how many operations do we do in math? How many do you think, Aizen?
Like here's divide, add, subtract, multiply, and
Is that it?
did I say
You
add?
said it.
Yeah.
So how many is that? There's 4 different kinds of operations, right? So we have what operation here, Jessica?
Variable plus 10.
Variable plus 10, but what operation do we have? Aizen just told us that
Addition.
addition. Perfect. You remembered. Great. So if I want to do the opposite operation,
It'd have to be the subtract.
it would have to be subtraction. Perfect answer. Thank you, Jessica. Thank you, Jolene, for sitting quietly. Okay, can we put that in your hotspot, please? Thank you. All right, so we have to subtract. We have to subtract. So it says opposite operation on both sides of the equation, or both sides of the equal sign. So we have to subtract the 10, because that's what we want to get rid of. 10 minus 10 is 0, so we can cross it out, right? Whatever we do to this side, we
The other side.
perfect. So we need to subtract 10 over here. 5 minus 0 is
5.
perfect. 2 minus 1 is
1.
you guys rock. 15. K is the variable now by itself. It is, right? It's all by itself. Lonely. Okay, we bring down the equal sign, and we bring down our new answer. Correct? Correct. Okay? Step number 4, solve for the variable. What is it?
Solve for the variable.
That's right. Well, step 4 is solve for the variable. What's our step 4?
Solve for the variable.
Great job. Aislinn, what is our variable? 15, correct. Let's check it and make sure. Okay? What we're going to do underneath, we go back to our equation. X, let's replace it with our new value. Jessica, what is it?
15.
15. Jolene, what's the next part of our equation?
10.